Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. It's beautiful today. It's like 57, and then we find out it says no rain until 6. Well, guess what? It's raining right now. Get the hell out of here. It's about 2 o'clock. Now I gotta be freaking careful. Sucks. We'll get out of here. Let's see. What's going on? Well, tomorrow's Friday. Trying to think. Not much else going on. Like I said, we got some videos coming out. Some truck videos. I got another motovlog that I did earlier in the week. We'll put that out. Like to. Bunch of the jamokes standing around. So yeah, I had a meeting with some human resources people the other day about looking to go out to South Dakota, and it looks like it might be delayed a little bit. There was some, they didn't get all the money that they wanted here at the lab. So might be, if I'm going, it'll probably be more like September now instead of like May, June. We'll figure it out. The sooner I can get out of this place, the better. These cracks in the road, the big long strips, they scare me. The wheels feel real weird when you drive over them. I got to drive in this narrow, if I were to ride on these long strips, it makes it feel like I'm gonna slip. I don't like it. I can cross over them like that, but I don't want to be leaning while I'm on one. I don't know. The back end wiggles. I don't like it. Oh man! And it's nice and windy today. Wind's blowing in from the south pretty hard. So, but yeah. Before I was talking about my tachometer project. I'm going to add one to the Ranger. I printed it out in this really cool, it's almost like a matte carbon fiber type plastic. It turned out pretty good. So once I get that installed, I can pull apart the dash, and I thought add a wire for the tack. But dang. I can really feel it bursting on me. Oh man. It's starting to come down. I don't know if it gets worse. I'm gonna pull over and pull off my camera. I got $1,000 worth of camera equipment on my helmet. I really don't feel like wrecking it. Oh shit. I got screwed, man. This is bad. Shit. All right, as soon as we get through the intersection here, I'm pulling over and pulling off my camera stuff because, yeah, dang, look at it. It's coming down. I got hosed, man. I should have left 10, 15 minutes ago. Fuck. Woo! Oh, man. All right, we're going to pull over and we'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Shit, easy.